Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your ultra focus pouches subscription. If you have purchased any product on ultra website related to pouches, nicotine free pouches, or you by mistake if you have activated a subscription on your account, so how you can cancel. So basically cancellation is very easy. So you need to follow these two methods and you can cancel your subscription very easily. So the first method you can see, if you want to cancel your subscription, you need to cancel your subscription before next billing date without any penalty. Okay. And the refund, the policy says, their policy says, if you want refund, if product is shipped, already shipped, and if product is delivered at your doorstep, all the fees are non-refundable. So first of all, you need to log in into your account at takeultra.com, which is listed on Shopify. You need to log in and you need to navigate manage subscription and you need to cancel your subscription. This is the one method. In some cases this method is not working for everyone. In the next case, you can contact with the customer support team by using email format. Okay, you need to compose an email. In the email you need to mention each and everything which is related to your subscription, or you can take help from ChatGPT to prepare this kind of email. And in the email you also mention a proof of cancellation. And once you compose this email, you need to send this email at their email address hi@takeultra.com. So you need to send this email at their email address, and once they will receive your email, they will reply you as a proof of cancellation. Until you don't get any proof of cancellation, you need to get in touch with their customer support team. Okay, you need to keep in touch with their customer support team until you get a proof of cancellation, and this is the only way by which you can cancel your subscription. And if you have any other issues, you can make a comment, and what is the result of the product, you can also make in comment. Your comment is a real review, and we talk about like if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. We will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.